discover a world full of natural wonders with fascinating creatures. From the towering alligator turtle to this mysterious fish, each offers a unique glimpse into the diversity and complexity of life on Earth. Join us on this exciting journey of exploration through the most extraordinary corners of our planet. Number 1. Deep beneath the ocean surface, thousands of these extraordinary creatures congregate, forming a mesmerizing display of nature's wonders. Located off the coast of Central California, this garden is a natural wonder, untouched by human hands. Discovered by researchers in 2018, the Octopus Garden left the world speechless with its immensity and complexity. It took several years of meticulous study to unravel its mysteries, but what they found was truly extraordinary. The garden is home to over 5,000 octopuses, covering an area of 6 acres, with a total estimated population exceeding 20,000. These octopuses, known as Muso Octopus Robustus, migrate to the garden for mating and nesting purposes. It is a once-in-a-lifetime journey for them, a pilgrimage to ensure the continuation of their lineage. Females carefully select warm places to lay their clutch of eggs, around 60 in total, which they protect with unwavering dedication. What makes this garden truly unique is its location near the foot of Davidson Seamount, a dormant volcano. The warm waters around the bush, heated by hydrothermal vents, provide the perfect environment for octopuses to thrive. The heat accelerates the incubation period of the eggs, allowing the offspring to emerge in less than 2 years, a remarkable achievement in the deep sea. But life in the octopus garden is not without its challenges. Predators lurk in the depths, attracted by the abundance of food provided by the deceased octopuses. Scavengers such as giant grenadiers and starfish feed on the remains, creating a delicate balance in the ecosystem. Despite the risks, the octopus garden continues to be a beacon of life in the abyssal depths. Its discovery has opened new doors for scientific exploration, revealing the hidden wonders of our oceans. As researchers continue to study and protect this remarkable habitat, we are reminded of the importance of preserving our marine environments for future generations. Number 2. The Canan turtle of the genus Macrocheles is one of the largest species among freshwater turtles. Its distinctive shell, with serrated edges, can reach up to 80 centimeters in length. Its coloration, usually in brown or olive tones, allows it to skillfully camouflage itself in its aquatic environment. One of its most notable characteristics is its ability to remain submerged for long periods, thanks to its adapted nose. This turtle is carnivorous and feeds on a variety of prey, including fish, crustaceans and waterfowl, using its powerful jaw and sharp teeth to capture its food. Despite its imposing presence, it faces serious conservation threats, such as habitat loss and illegal hunting. Conservation measures are being carried out to protect this species, but greater effort and awareness is needed to ensure its long-term survival. In summary, the alligator turtle is fascinating both for its unique adaptations to the aquatic environment and for its crucial role in freshwater ecosystems. However, the conservation challenges it faces highlight the need for additional action to ensure its future survival. Number 3. The Gario Crocodile, a fascinating species known for its unique appearance and aquatic adaptations. It is a large reptile found in freshwater rivers on the Indian subcontinent. Its distinctive feature is its long, thin snout, which accounts for more than half of its total length. This reptile is a skilled swimmer and feeds mainly on fish, thanks to its specialized jaw structure. Their sharp, pointed teeth are ideal for catching aquatic prey. The Gario crocodile prefers habitats with calm, soft waters, such as rivers and estuaries. Despite its imposing appearance, it is considered endangered due to habitat loss, water pollution, and poaching. Conservation efforts are being implemented, such as captive breeding programs and public awareness of the importance of preserving their natural habitat. In summary, The Gario Crocodile stands out for its long and thin snout, adapted for hunting fish. Although it faces conservation challenges, efforts are underway to protect this unique species and contribute to its preservation in the wild. Number 4. Promotus, an intriguing inhabitant of the ocean depths, is distinguished by its morphological uniqueness, challenging the limits of our understanding. With a noticeably large and flattened head, eyes that appear almost luminous in the darkness, and short tentacles that give it an enigmatic appearance, this squid is a true wonder of nature. Even more fascinating is the presence of elongated fins on the upper part of its body, a peculiar feature that makes it stand out among the creatures of the abyss. Their deep ocean habitat presents a challenge to scientists, as the extreme conditions make it difficult to study their habits and behaviors. The paucity of information about this mysterious being adds an aura of intrigue to its existence. Despite this, research efforts persist, driven by the desire to unravel the secrets surrounding Promotus. The quest to better understand its ecology and biology is a path full of uncertainty but also amazement. Each new discovery about this enigmatic squid brings us a little closer to understanding the complexity and diversity of life in the deep oceans, reminding us that there is still much to explore and discover in the depths of our planet. Number 5. Ribbonworms are a group of parasites belonging to the phylum Platyhelminths, and more specifically to the group of Astodia. These flat parasites have elongated, flattened bodies that resemble ribbons, hence their common name. Tapeworm life cycles typically involve 2 or more hosts. Typically, the intermediate host is a herbivorous or carnivorous animal that ingests the eggs or larvae of the Astodia. Once inside the host, the larvae develop into forms called cysticerci. When an animal such as a mammal consumes the raw or undercooked meat of the intermediate host, cysticerci are released into the digestive tract. They then adhere to the intestinal mucosa and develop into adult worms. Some species of tapeworms can parasitize humans, causing conditions such as tiniosis, which is infection with adult tapeworms in the human intestine. This can occur by consuming raw or undercooked meat that contains the larvae of these parasites. It is important to observe hygienic practices and properly cook foods to prevent infection from tapeworms and other foodborne parasites. If infection is suspected, medical attention should be sought for proper diagnosis and treatment. Number 6. Kodan Niger is a species of deep-sea fish that belongs to the family Chiasmodontidae. It is commonly known as the black gobbler due to its dark appearance and unique eating habits. This fish is found in the depths of the ocean, specifically in the mesopelagic zone, where sunlight barely penetrates. Some notable characteristics of Chiasmodon Niger include its small size, usually around 10 centimeters in length, and its extendable jaw that allows it to swallow prey larger than its own body. This fish feeds on other marine organisms in the depths using its sharp teeth to capture prey. Chiasmodon Niger has been the subject of interest for biological research due to its unique adaptation to the abyssal environment and its specialized feeding behavior. Studies on this fish contribute to the understanding of life in the deep sea, where conditions are extremely difficult for most life forms. Number 7. Meet the colossal Belgian Blue, a giant in the world of beef cattle, originally from Belgium and known for his exceptional leanness and sculpted physique. This breed is often nicknamed the double-muscled cow. What sets them apart is not just their large size, but a hereditary condition that leads to the duplication of muscle fibers rather than the enlargement of individual ones, which contributes to their remarkable physique. Belgian Blues possess a unique gene that suppresses the production of myostatin, a protein that inhibits muscle growth beyond a certain point. Essentially, these mammoth animals possess an extraordinary ability to convert food into lean muscle without needing to follow a 2-hour daily gym routine. Despite its intimidating musculature, fear not, as the Belgian Blue is known for its gentle temperament. The double muscle condition not only contributes to its impressive physique, but also produces meat with reduced fat content, a highly sought-after quality in today's culinary scene. Adult bulls have a weight ranging between 1,100 and 1,250 kilograms, with a wither height of 0.45 m to 1.5 m. It should be noted that individuals weighing more than 1,300 kilograms are not rare. The female counterparts, cows, reach weights of 850 to 900 kilograms and heights exceeding 1.4 m. In essence, these colossal creatures are a testament to nature's ability to produce massive, amazing animals with docile temperaments. Number 8. The Megalodon, hailed as the monarch of sharks, holds the prestigious title of being the largest shark to roam the oceans and is among the most colossal fish in recorded history. Imagine a world where 50-foot-long sharks navigate the seas. Being a fisherman in such an era would certainly redefine the profession. The Megalodon outnumbered the largest white shark on record 3 times over, sporting mouths adorned with 18-inch-long, razor-sharp teeth, appropriately earning its name, which literally translates to giant tooth. This prehistoric giant wielded a formidable arsenal of 276 large teeth, and its bite force remains unmatched by any creature that has ever populated our planet. Thriving more than 20 million years ago, the Megalodon reigned supreme, striking terror in the oceans until its extinction 3.6 million years ago, primarily hunting whales and large fish. Its colossal size required a substantial food intake. Imagine the astonishing strength and magnitude required for a predator to hunt down the humpback whale. The Megalodon's jaw alone measured between 9 and 11 feet wide enough to effortlessly swallow 2 human adults side by side in a single bite. Without a doubt, this monstrous creature stands as one of the most dominant predators that have ruled our planet. Number 9. There are 2 different varieties of elephant seals, the northern and the southern, each exhibiting notable differences. The northern elephant seal predominantly inhabits islands off the coast of California and Baja California, while its southern counterpart thrives in subantarctic waters near the Antarctic ice pack, a testament to its preference for a colder environment. Not only are southern elephant seals more discerning in their choice of habitat, but they also have significantly longer lifespans compared to their northern relatives. Southern elephant seals can live an impressive 20 to 22 years, while their northern counterparts have an average lifespan of just 9 years. Today our focus is on the southern elephant seal, the largest of its kind on the planet. Male southern elephant seals can reach astonishing lengths of more than 20 feet and carry a staggering weight of 8,800 pounds. Truly a remarkable mass. The nickname elephant is derived from their vague, trunk-like snouts. During mating season, these colossal creatures congregate in massive numbers. It is a spectacle where male elephant seals engage in vigorous displays to gain the favor of females. For them, mating season is a fierce competition, where size and bulk determine the most desirable mate. Battles between these colossal males can get quite violent. In the 19th century, the elephant seal faced a dangerous threat of extinction due to hunting, dwindling to fewer than 100 individuals. Surprisingly, the species recovered and its population is now around 100,000. The resurgence is due to the enormous libido of these magnificent mammals, as they fervently engage in combative rituals to ensure their role in the perpetuation of their species. Number 10. Now immerse yourself in the fascinating world of the liger, an intriguing mix resulting from the cross between a male lion and a tigress. In this kingdom of majestic creatures, Hercules stands as the supreme monarch, carrying with him the distinguished title of the world's largest liger, an honor recorded in the Guinness Book of Records as the most imposing feline on the planet. The name Hercules fits this exceptional feline like a glove, with an astonishing length of 10 feet and an impressive weight of 921 pounds, equivalent to the size of an adult horse. For Hercules, surviving in the wild would be a challenge due to his enormous proportions. He imagines the difficulty of hunting prey when no hiding places can be found. But why is he so colossal? In the world of male lions, size equals importance, with bigger being better. Male lions carry genetic information that drives their offspring to continuous growth, while lionesses regulate this process to avoid excesses. However, tigresses lack this genetic control, resulting in ligers with an insatiable drive for growth. Fortunately, ligers are a rarity found only in captivity, as tigers and lions do not share natural habitats. In nature, the intricate genetic interplay that gives rise to these magnificent creatures remains a rarity, making Hercules a truly exceptional spectacle. Number 11. Meet Darius, the world's largest rabbit, who impresses with an impressive length of 4 feet 4 inches and a weight of 49 pounds. Under the care of Annette Edwards of Bram's Grove, England, Darius holds the prestigious title, and his offspring, especially Jeff, are expected to soon surpass him in size. Annette, a 63-year-old resident, proudly reveals the giant rabbit's voracious appetites, which cost a significant £5,000 a year to care for. They consume 2,000 carrots, 700 apples, specialized rabbit food and a bale of hay weekly. Despite her financial commitment, Annette emphasizes the joy and companionship these giant rabbits provide, snuggling with them on her couch. Darius and Jeff, both continental giant rabbits, not only hold the title of the world's largest rabbits, but also embody the breed's laid-back demeanor. Their remarkable calmness not only makes them colossal in size, but also ideal companions, thriving on attention, especially from children. Number 12. When we talk about tree climbers, we all have in mind the image of the small marsupial that is so familiar to us. However, there is one image that usually escapes the sight of most: the image of a goat climbing a tree. This is more than an optical illusion, as these tree climbers can be found in the southwestern region of Morocco. Why do goats climb trees? The answer is simple. Farmers use these climbers as tools to collect argan seeds. Although these trees may have thorns, climbing goats have learned to adapt easily, and can even collect seeds as skillfully as monkeys. Once farmers collect the argan seeds, they process them into oil for sale. This argan oil is very popular in the world market. Number 13. Herds of snakes can be an impressive phenomenon. If there are people who fear snakes, there must also be those who face them without fear, since this is a large-scale snake congregation phenomenon that simply by seeing it in pictures, you know there are a large number. This event occurs in a place called Snake Dens, in Saskatchewan, Canada. I must tell you that it is not just 10 or 20 snakes, but a large crowd of tens of thousands. They spread out and cover all available areas. The reason why snakes congregate and come out in large numbers is because it is the right time to mate. During this season, females are especially receptive and are surrounded by hundreds of males. Due to the unusualness of these events, they are not easy to find, which makes some people like this type of thing and seek to see it with their own eyes at least once. Although these snakes are not poisonous, it is not recommended that anyone disturb them. It would be better to let them continue their courtship without interfering. Number 14. When we see butterflies flying over the fields, it makes us feel that the environment is fresher and clearer. But who would have thought that there would be a phenomenon like this, where millions of butterflies fly together? The image we see is not just an illusion. These butterflies are monarch butterflies, which are migrating during the winter. We thought there were only migratory birds, but butterflies also migrate, and the spectacle of their migration is beautiful like a dream. But not all butterflies migrate, only this particular species. Their migration is notable because it is unique in the world. Monarch butterflies are orange with black stripes on the edges of their wings, and on both sides there are white spots. They have a wingspan of approximately 4 inches. They originate from the east coast of North America and are the only butterfly species in the world that migrates seasonally. When it starts to get cold, they flap their wings and fly towards the mountains of central Mexico. As the weather begins to warm up, they return home after a trip of more than 4,000 kilometers. The migration of monarch butterflies is part of the dispersal of pollen from various tree species, and after waiting out the winter, these insects head north to warm places like Texas. They mate and lay eggs in trees with sap, and within a few days, the eggs hatch into caterpillars with black and white and gold patterns. Caterpillars eat leaves before turning into butterflies in the future. Number 15. The thylacine, also known as the Tasmanian tiger or Tasmanian wolf, is an extinct species of carnivorous marsupial eradicated by humans in the 1930s. This creature has an unusual appearance with a striped back and an appearance similar to that of a canid roam the earth. A predatory marsupial most closely related to kangaroos and koalas. The last official record of the animal living in captivity dates back to 1936. Before the arrival of humans, the thylacine lived throughout Australia, as well as the islands of Tasmania and New Guinea. It was the largest carnivorous marsupial known until recently. It had a jaw that could open unusually wide, reaching an angle of about 80 degrees, and a stomach that stretched during feeding to swallow larger prey. These characteristics gave the thylacine the reputation of being one of Australia's strangest and most dangerous creatures. Although it is officially considered extinct, there are reports in Australia suggesting it may still exist, with claims of sightings. This has led to numerous scientific expeditions and investigations, especially in Tasmania, to confirm or refute the persistence of the thylacine.